Hello, everybody. This is your man, Nicholas Shepherd, the Shepherd Family Enterprise Business Administration Information System Consultants. I just want to show you exactly what's going on in my kitchen right now. Okay, so I'm posting this on Facebook and stuff like that, and YouTube, and what have you. Okay, okay. This is Maria. She's just got through finished cutting up a watermelon. Now she's cutting up a cantaloupe. All right, so we just this is what she does and stuff like that. Say hi. She don't want to say hi. She's shy. She's not ready to be on TV. Okay, and also this is our power cooker that I think I made a video about this before. It's pretty good. Right now, what we're doing is that we're making chili. Okay, and chili finished. Releasing its pressure. Okay, first we cooked the beef, right? And after we cooked the beef, we basically set it. We did the stew, right? We set it to stew, which is right here. Okay, and we set the time, right? The time to about, I'd say about 45 minutes. So the meat is very tender, okay? And after we did that, we put water in it, we put our seasons and stuff like that in there. What basically we did, we put the garlic salt, oregano, parsley, black pepper. We use some sea salt, right? And you can use virgin olive oil, but we actually use some, regular virgin, vegetable oil. We put some of this in the pot as well. Okay, so after we finished cooking, we had this spare juice, right? Which we're going to use, we're going to put soy sauce in there, so that has some other seasoning. And we use this to put on our rice, okay? So we drained our stew, right? Our meat stew. We got this juice here, and we're going to use it for something else, okay? Probably put over rice and stuff like that, when you eat it, okay? So you can save that, all right? We put some more inside of our, we left some in our pot, too, with our meat, all right? So that we can wait for this thing to finish, letting out some of the steam. It takes a couple of seconds, a minute or two. So it's ready. I don't want to cause any problems for myself by opening it up too early. As you see, the steam is still coming out. I'm going to let it rest a little bit. And then I'm going to take it out and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. Okay, so we added some, some kidney beans, which, let me see if I can show it to you. Okay, what we used some Hunt basil tomato sauce, right? Okay, and also we used the kidney beans, right? She threw the pot away, so let me see. I don't know if I can show you the little tag. She destroyed the tag. Yeah. The paper she destroyed. Okay, so anyway, the beans are really ready. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up and lock it. Open it up. And look what we have here. Okay. This is what it look like. Okay, this is our chili that we made. Alright. It's not spicy. Right? We got the meat in there and everything like that. Right? With the beans. So that's pretty good, huh? What do you think about that? Right. We got beef. We didn't use hamburger. We use regular stew beef. Right. And we're going to let this sit a little while. Right. The meat is nice. As you see, the meat is nice and tender. Fork. Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy. Got a USA thingy on. And as you see here, our meat is really tender. Right, see it? Let me get a piece out. See how tender that is? Just breaks right up. Right? It's really tender. To me, just really tender. Okay. You can try it, please. Open your mouth up. See how tender it is? It's nice and succulent. Everything like that, right? So that's our beef, right? And it's really good, okay? Tasting the juice. Now, we didn't add too much salt in this and stuff like that because we want, you know, like our family is, let me taste this. Oh, it's delicious. It's really good, okay? She wanted to put some more salt in it, but I decided not to put no more salt in here. I said that if the person who's actually eating this want to add salt in their food, they can, okay? And then we have our rice here, right? Okay, so we have our rice we made, and we have our chili, right? Okay, we're also going to make some cornbread. I know this is the easy way out, but, you know, I didn't want to make the other kind. So this is actually the cornbread we're going to eat, right, with it. So that's we our dinner for the day. Okay. Tell me what you think. All right. And again, thank you for watching. All right. Bye-bye.